Alright, the first thing you're going to find is the actual DVMEGA hotspot. Now in the box you're going to find the hotspot itself, which is the Raspberry Pi with the DVMEGA Pi hat. The other things in the package is going to be the power supply and also a short stubby antenna. Now a longer antenna is not really required because probably most likely you're just going to be transmitting across a room perhaps. Next thing in the box is going to be the Anytone radio. When you open the box, first thing you're going to find is two Anytone stickers, one black one, one white one. The next thing is the manual and the radio itself. After that, if you take that off, you're going to find a little package with the antenna, as well as the programming cable and the battery clip and a belt and a wrist strap. In this small cardboard box is the 3100 milliamp battery. In the medium-sized box is the wall wart. And then the biggest box is the rapid charging bucket. And the last things in the box is going to be the battery eliminator for your Anytone, followed by the BCS 200 speaker mic, a protective leather case for your Anytone, and a Nagoya NA701 high gain whip antenna. Thanks guys, this concludes our unboxing. Enjoy. Thanks 7-3.